Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how to use a Permobil Lifestand standing wheelchair. Okay, because I just made a review on this, and getting used to, if you've just bought one of these, getting used to standing up in it is not the easiest thing to do, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So, if we move it forward just a little bit there. So sit in it normally as you would, okay, but you're not going to move forward. Make sure your locks are on. And these handles at the back, you're going to grab as far back as you can. And while you're lifting these handles up, slightly lean forward. And then, there we go. And then it clicks up here in place. There you go. And obviously, you're now standing. And then if we go back down, you should just be able to sort of sit down and it will click. There we go. And it's as simple as that, and then just unhook and you can go ahead and use your wheelchair as normal there. But yeah, this is not the easiest, well, it is the easiest standing wheelchair I've come across for sure. But you know, I just wanted to sort of give a demonstration, so if you had one and you didn't know how to use it, it's just this big rubber handle here, just unclips same time as the other one, and then you're up, and it's as simple as that. These are such an amazing wheelchair. This one's refurbished. If it's something you'd be interested in, head over to www.mobilityx.co.uk and you can pick this up there. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helped.